Year 2024, month of April. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to return to one of the original purposes of this channel, which is to track the production, destruction, and continued use of the Cobol language in the present time and into the future. I have been going over better know a Cobol keyword, but this video is a bit different. In this video, I'm just going to go over some vocabulary that people in banking and Cobol programmers should know. We're going to go in alphabetical order of a glossary of a Cobol book. So the first is an accounts payable system. An accounts payable system tracks the bills that you got to pay, when they're due, and what has been paid so far, or if they've been paid. And other more advanced accounts payable systems will tell you other things like who did the payment and all that. That's an accounts payable system. Address. It's the same as it is throughout computer science. A value that represents a location in a computer's memory. If you cannot address it, you cannot access it. The next is aggregate. This is a pretty generic term. In like C, you have structs and arrays. Those would both be considered aggregates. Aggregate is not a keyword in C. There is not a special operator or an index for it, but those are what you would call aggregates. And it's the opposite of atomic when you're speaking about older languages. Specifically in Cobol, it's a data type composed of one or more Cobol data types. You can define an aggregate in Cobol by just a name, followed by a period, followed by identifiers and their data type. Such as pick 9 for numbers. Next would be alphanumeric. We know this. That's the numbers A through Z, upper and lower case, 0 through 9. And it occasionally could mean punctuation marks, maybe spaces, maybe the quote marks. You need to be specific. I mean, when I hear alphanumeric, I'm thinking of just the Latin letter characters and the digits. So maybe, you want to avoid ambiguity, you want to be explicit about what characters are allowed for passwords and whatever fields you have. Next is alternative index. This is more specific to Cobol. It's an alternative index is an additional index that can define another path that you can take where records can be retrieved. So you have some records in multiple places, and there's a main index, there's an alternate index. So that is the first part, or this has been the first video of going through some vocabulary related to Cobol. Please like and subscribe. And if you're a Cobol programmer who deals with it every day, or you've been paid somehow, please comment below. And anything, if you have any ideas on things to cover for Cobol, please tell me. This channel is not named after Cobol, but Cobol is a major subject of this channel. Not a sexy language, but we have to do it. Thank you.